And here we go with our login. To get to the SSL VPN service, all I did here in Internet Explorer, that is do an HTTPS 10211, and then a few seconds later, this appeared. So this is also why you want to keep your group names intuitive. Because, the couple that I have, the non-defaults, I've got Success, Victory, and Sample 10. Well, if Fred from accounting looks at those, I don't remember which one it was, and then he can't log in, or he's not getting logged in correctly, whatever happens. If you have an accounting department and a network admin department, any other department you need, then you are on your way. Let me go ahead and log in. And I like having this, you can't always check, don't show me the warning for this program again, but that's just a setting. But you can see already that it looks like things are going well. There's my untrusted certificate, gotcha. It's probably going to tell me that again. And now we wait. And there we go. So we are successfully connected, and it even is so helpful to tell us the connection can be controlled from the tray icon circled in the image below, so please don't write us and ask us. But I could go ahead and just bring that up, and there you go. And there's your little mobility client down there in the corner. Some settings here for it. You can start VPN when any connect is started. Minimize it, which is checked by default, and that's why I went down there immediately. A couple other things there, but nothing really we want to dig into right now. There's your connection info. See, right now we're tunneling all traffic for IP version 4, but dropping for version 6 in tunnel mode. And also gives you how many bytes have been sent and received, control frames, client management, transport information, etc. So some good info there. As far as the firewall and the message history, we're not going to see much of anything there, so I will go ahead and disconnect. Well, if this was your first chance or first opportunity to see the GUI in action, see the ASDM in action, I hope you liked it, because we'll definitely be back in it for some firewall work later on. And right now you'll also notice once I disconnect, it just stays on there. I can minimize it or exit out and move on from there. And as you have other devices or other networks that you want to connect to, they'll appear in that drop-down window as well. But I really like the part where they're pushing out the client. Again, I've had issues with that in Chrome. Explorer works well. There are other browsers that work well, because I know as soon as I said Explorer, somebody said, "You use that?" I used it for this. I don't really use it for a whole lot else, I admit, but I did use it for this. So anywho, let us move on.